4, 3, 2, 1.
Turn that sound up.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Urellis, and welcome back to another video. So I have some current favorites here, some products that I've been loving. We got some skincare, we got some hair care, and we definitely got some makeup. So girl, get your coins ready, because to me these products are worth it, and the majority of the stuff that I have here are affordable. I do have a few pricey stuff, but you know, girl, if I say it's good, then that means it's good. Okay, so let's get into these products that you need in your life. I think we should start with hair, because hair has been like my big thing now. Because if you guys haven't watched my natural hair journey, then you definitely need to go check that out. Stop playing yourself, sis. Okay, you need to check out my hair journey. I tell you everything that I went through when I was transitioning, and then I tell you the most dramatic story ever of why I didn't get a diva haircut. No, it has nothing to do with like what happened to their product. You need to know, you need the 411. I'll leave that down below. So the first product that I want to share with you guys is this hair mask that I'm obsessed with. It is from Mielle. It is the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. I did feature this hair mask in my curly hair routine because I've been using it every single week for like probably 3 weeks now. Oh, it just smells really fresh, really minty, and I really like that. It doesn't have like a really strong scent that's like, you know, boom, smack in your face. It just smells very clean, very spa-like, and the texture of this is thick. You do get 12 ounces of product for $9.99. I think that's a steal. It is so great. As soon as I put it in my hair, it makes it super soft, so manageable. I'm able to comb it without a problem. This is supposed to help your hair grow, so we shall see about that. Although I seriously think that my hair has grown a lot since I started using this, like no lie. So the next product is from the same line, same brand. This is their styling cream. I did feature this in my curly hair routine. I'm not sure if that video is going to be up before this one, but it will definitely be on my channel, so make sure you're subscribed. It is on the thick side, so I do like that it has a pump, and when you apply it, you don't even need that much. Like I'll do like maybe 1 or 2 pumps, and then I'll, you know, put it through my hair, and the texture of it is like a cream and a gel, so it'll like seal in all the moisture in your hair. I really like how my hair looks after I use it. I used it today for my wash and go, and girl, the results speak for itself. Now the next mask, this mask,
You need this in your life.
hands down, if your hair is thirsty, damn it, you need this mask. This is from Shea Moisture. This is the Hydrate Repair Protein Power Treatment. Oh, I wish someone told me about this hair product from the beginning. In the beginning, God created the earth. This makes my hair super shiny, so manageable. The glow and the growth that has happened when I started using this. This is like my probably third or fourth jar of this. That's how you know it's freaking bomb. I use it every single week. I feature this in a couple of videos already. If your hair is damaged, if you're transitioning, whatever your situation is, I'm putting you on to a great product. To me, if you can't afford anything else in this video that I mentioned, this is the hands down the #1 product I will recommend. I did feature these in my Instagram videos. If you guys haven't checked that out, you definitely need to. I'm here to give you the info. I'm here to give you the glam. Like, you need to follow me, okay? So the first product is this Almond Twisting Butter, sweet almond milk and honey. Girl, I freaking love this stuff. Like the first time I opened it and I smelled it, it has a very sweet scent. So if you're not into sweet scents, you're not gonna like this. What this reminds me of, like the scents, it reminds me of Cold Stone. That flavor, what is it? Is it birthday cake? Or birthday something? It's one of those, but it smells just like that, like seriously. So you can use this to either do a twist out, braid out, or even if you want to do finger coiling, which I'm so into. I love my results when I use this. Like I'll insert a clip of how my hair looks when I use it. If you don't have thick hair, I wouldn't recommend that because it is so thick and it could easily get very heavy on your hair. So that's why I say a little bit goes a long way. I have thick hair, so I'm able to use it as a leave-in. But what I would recommend if you even have thin or thick hair is their curl maker. This stuff right here is bomb. You know how some gels could feel really sticky and heavy? This does not have that feeling at all. It's very, very light. To me, honestly, I never used a gel like this in my life. It's very unique. So it has marshmallow, agave leaf, extract, and to me, I think that's why it has such an interesting texture, because when you think of gel, you don't think of marshmallow and you don't think like of agave leaf. I don't know. If you're looking for a good gel, gel, I highly recommend this gel. All right, so that is it for hair products. Let's move on to skincare. So a quick background on my skin. I do have dry skin. My skin gets a little oily during summer because obviously I'm sweating so damn much. But usually like on my T-zone is where I get the oiliest, and then the rest of my face is pretty dry. So I always look for products that are gonna make me look youthful, give me that glow, that moisture I need in my face. You know, that way, you know, my makeup could look cute. So if you're drying like me, you need these two products. So the first product is their Soy Face, yes. It's their Soy Face cleanser. Yo, when I tell you that I don't think that I'm gonna use another face wash for a hot minute, because this one right here is very soft, like, and it's not abrasive. It doesn't dry me out. I really like that when I'm cleansing my face, I feel it like cleansing it but not stripping it. You know that sometimes you can put a face wash and you feel like squeaky clean, like you feel like they're just ripping your skin right off like when you're using it. And once I'm done like rinsing my face, I feel it so smooth and soft, and I still feel like there's still hydration in my skin. And of course I had to mention the toner. I've been using this for a minute actually. I just ran out of the small one and I was like, you know what, why not? I like the way it works on my skin, so I'm gonna buy the jumbo one. It has rose fruit extract. It removes impurities and softens. As soon as I use a cotton round and I put it on my face, you can see how hydrated my face is. So I really enjoy using these two products together. Like I honestly feel like once I get the face moisturizer, I'm just gonna feel so complete with my skincare. Let's move on to makeup. I don't have that much makeup stuff to talk about. I gotta spend my coins on other things, okay? But these products right here, I'm really feeling. I've been using these three Anastasia palettes non-stop, like can't stop, won't stop. Let's start off with the latest one to their collection, the Amrezy Palette. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this all over social media. I mean, it is a hot item. My #1 favorite shade in here is Semza. Like I've used this so many times. I've used it all over my lids, a pop of color, in my crease, in my outer V. Like it's just a bomb fly color. Like I never had a color like this in my collection. I've just been so obsessed with Semza and Cupcake and Barb. Barb is a vibe. Like it is so powerful and such a pop. Like you literally just need to dab your brush in one time, you put it in, and it's just like the gates just opens and you just see the light come in. Oh. So the next palette that I want to talk about is the Carli Bybel palette. I'm actually pretty surprised of how much I use this palette. And mind you, I'm not really into cool tones like that, but once I started using this, I couldn't stop doing cool tone looks. Like I was using Libra non-stop. Like I even made a dent in it already. Libra is a vibe. To me, the standout shade is Mandala and Stev. That red shade is so unique. I have nothing like that in my collection. Absolutely nothing like that. And I actually love mixing these palettes together. You can create such a pretty look when you mix these. I've used Semza and Stev in my crease. Oh, fire. And the last palette is this Riviera palette. I honestly think that this is so underrated. This palette came out, I think, around this time last year. And yo, when I tell you, I've created so many looks using this palette that I'm even surprised of how much I used it. These shades are so pretty and very colorful, very spring, very summer. I love the packaging. My favorite shades in here is Bahamas, Cannes, and Parlamo. Oh, and even this one, what is this? Monte Claro. Yo, these shades are gorgeous. My next favorite is this Ardell Double Up in the number 113. First of all, they fit my eye shape perfectly. I don't even need to trim them. That's how large and in charge your girl's eyes are. I just like how they flare up at the ends. That complements my eye shape the most, when it's like very thin in the front and then it flares out. It just gives me more of a cat eye almond shape as opposed to just big, large, and in your face eyes. I just feel like it's dramatic and very pretty without trying too hard. Alright you guys, and then the last product right here is a Fenty Beauty favorites. I know if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that every time I try a Fenty product, I just be like, Riri, can I get a refund? Like, but her gloss bomb. That's what they're called, right? Yes, gloss bomb. So this gloss bomb is in the color Fenty Glow. This is fire. I love this lip gloss. When I put it on my lips, it doesn't feel sticky and like opaque and like goopy. I can't stand like when lip gloss does that. This does not do that at all. It smells really nice and I love the color. This color to me is so pretty. It's so me. Finally found a Fenty product that I freaking love. Alright, so that is it for today's video. That is all of my makeup and hair and skin favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. That way, you know, I could collect my stuff and let you know. And, you know, because your girl is picky. So if I tell you something is my favorite, you best believe these are my favorites. So thank you guys for watching this video and I'll see you guys on the next one. And of course, don't forget to glow, stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.